Okay, so got new door cards, nice dual tip straight cut exhaust I found on Facebook Marketplace. Good deal. And a handful of other little parts. But we're going to start with the most obvious problem. And to me, if you're an old car guy, to me, the most obvious problem is, of all the things I see here, the thing I trust the least isn't the wires hanging over there, isn't the wires hanging over there, isn't the open timing cover, although I do have a cover for that now finally, which is a quintessential part of a Corolla, is there's no way you're trusting that rad cap. That looks like an ancient piece of crap with no stickers, no stampings, hardly, like the chrome is rusty. Nope, that is going in the trash. Where is the trash? I don't know where the trash is, but no. And you go grab yourself a brand new Toyota one. And you put that on. There you go. Nice nip and denso, 0.9. That's where I want to be. And yeah, so let's get set up here and get a couple things done. So today is a very wet and rainy day. I'm gonna get some stuff done. Timing cover. We already did the rad cap. The little seals on the nuts right here have gaskets under them. So I'm gonna replace those gaskets. Other stuff too? I don't know for sure. We'll figure it out. Odds and ends. I think like headlight eyelids, trans fluid, gotta fill up the transmission. Okay. So we take off these guys because the new timing cover overlaps that. New set of bolts. Timing cover. Okay. If you know Corollas, this is a crucially important piece. Not to everybody, but to me, it's important. That was from Japan, actually. Had it shipped. Has a gasket on it and everything. Decal's still in wrinkly shape, but not bad. Never mind that. I was just checking to see it fit down there. Really nicely.
He called you a cowboy. What did he mean? What are you?
Just a humble bounty hunter, man.
I guess you wonder where I've been,
What are you?
I searched to find love within.
There. Ta-da! That's what it should look. And I like it like that.
I guess you wonder where I've been,
What are you?
I searched to find love.
Here we go. See? New eyelids. Huh?
Said to put them on after all.
Yeah, why not? No point in having all these pieces that are somewhat nice. And then, if you don't have shiny parts in your car, you kind of lose the love a little bit. So we're still editing video here from early to mid-August. So there's still quite a lot of backlog to do. This video kind of ran short because we kind of ran out to Abbotsford to go grab some parts. So we managed to find a clean door and a pretty clean fender, a lot better than the fender that I had. But that's it for this episode. We'll see you on the next one.